Yeah, hello, amazing customers. I welcome you again to Steven Stone Design, and we are here in Abokobi, that near Medina, that also near Oyarefa, designing this house with Etakwa cutting stones, as you can see. So let's go around the building and see something so that you will get a idea if you are building here in Ghana. Yeah, so as for this roofing, I really love how they did it professionally. You see, look at how the roofing looking beautiful and marvelous. You see, so when you are building your dream home in Ghana here, pay attention of your roofing. Unless you are doing a secret roofing that is not going to show outside. You see, but if you are doing something like this now, call the right capital to do something beautiful for you like this. You see, because of this is a design. It be just that people they will see from afar before they near your building. You see, look at how the roofing sheet is on point. So cause of that now we have involved a natural stones that have a color that match the roofing, and so that have a color that's going to make the house look so unique and beautiful after we have done. And just look at the customer. You see, the customer burger proof. You see, is it burger proof? Look at how it's unique. You see, construction in Ghana here is not about only one person. It's about all of us: the mason, the stone designer, the painter, the carpenter. You see, the electrician, and all of us. You see, involve the right person so that if those people they come on your building now, at the end of the day, everything look perfect for you based on the people that you have involved. Look at the front view. You see, look at the front view, very unique and beautiful. You see, and sometimes also you don't need the billions of cities before designing your home here in Ghana. Here is about you involving the right people, the right person, the people that they have a fear of God in their heart, that whether you are there, you're not there, they will take their time and do something beautiful for you. Most of my work, the customer, they are not here in Ghana here. Most of my contract, they are not here in Ghana here. But we deliver the best because of I know how it is feel to make a 10,000 Ghana cedis for yourself, because it's not a small journey. Imagine like leaving your family here in Ghana here, travel from here to abroad and go and work. All the name that you want just to like up so about Bravo Ghana ha. You want just like be your do home in Ghana here and you to become somebody. It not be easy journey. You see. So I also care that when you give us a job, you take our time and deliver the best. Deliver the best. You see. So look at the thing. You see. Okay, I'm going to show you something. Like you look at the roofing color and look at the stones. You see, look at the roofing color and look at our stones. Look at the roofing color very well and look at our stones. You see a similarity. See, and look at something. Look at the under here. A baby red. And look at the red one inside. You see. Look at the red one inside. That we are telling you that give the work to us, the stone engineers. Let us design something beautiful for you, because the color also matter. The color also matter. You see, the color also matter. So as for the installation, You are not making smooth. You dey make am rough. You see, you dey make am rough for the person. The installation is not smooth. It's a rough installation. The installation e no be smooth. It's a rough one. My installation e no be smooth. E be rough installation. Whatever e dey, gbangba, staving dey for you. Staving dey for you. You see. So these are the stones that you are using. These are the stones that we are using. These are the stones that we are using. And we also laying the stones on under the building. You see. Olmo.
Yes, sir.
Ole Samina.
Papa.
Okay. Ole Samina.
Papa.
Okay. Okay. Ole Samina.
Papa.
Okay. Olu Samina. No be so.
Maybe so.
Okay. Olumo ana omo. How to go? Okay, Auche Ole Samina.
Papa.
Auche Ole Samina.
Papa.
Auche Ole Samina.
Papa.
Ole Samina lo.
Onga Samina lo.
Onye Samina lo.
Onga Samina lo.
Onye Samina lo. Onye Samina lo. Okay, Auche Ole Samina.
Papa.
Okay, Ole Samina lo.
Papa.
Okay. Okay, good morning to you. I will say good morning.
Oh, good morning, baby. Good morning, man.
Oh, okay, I greet you, Che.
Ingamo.
Inyamo.
Yeah.
Auche Inyamo.
Yo.
Inyamo.
Yo.
Okay, Ole Samina.
Papa.
Auche Inyamo.
Yo.
Okay.
I say it.
No. So that be how the installation go. You see, one after the other, and we get everything done. Staving stone design on our service is available across the country. There's one staving, only one pair, and our service is available across the country. Bye.